In one of our previous TechRill videos, we explored custom agents at the organization and repository level. Today, we are taking one more step further. In this video, we will walk you through how to set up and use a custom agent directly in VS Code, which will give you a more personalized and workflow integrated experience. We will begin by defining a custom agent designed for data flow diagram generation, and it is curated by our Copilot agent mode. Next, we will add the necessary tools that enable our agent to analyze the requirement, interpret the architecture, and generate data flow diagram and the corresponding documentation. Once everything is configured, we will put the agent to work using it right inside VS Code to automatically produce a complete data flow diagram along with its corresponding technical narrative. Now let us jump into the demo. We are in VS Code. Education Track Pro is our project. Let us start adding a custom agent. Either you can add from the gear symbol as part of Copilot chat or from the drop down and say configure custom agent. Select create new custom agent and the location either under .github folder or user data. Provide a proper name for your custom agent. This will open the template with the description, tools and instruction. We are taking the Copilot agent mode to define our custom agent with the proper instructions. We are asking agent mode to define my custom agent using the following specifications. The role of the custom agent is a solution architect with data architecture focus. As we are going for a data flow diagram, the focus is data architecture and the input will be the user requirements passed in the form of a prompt, and we are expecting an output as an empty file with data flow diagram and the corresponding explanation in terms of what exactly the flow diagrams and how to interpret the same. And we specified the folder location also, that is /data folder. That's a location where we need the output empty file. Also we specified use the mermaid for rendering all kind of diagrams. In our case, it's a data flow diagram. Use the mermaid for rendering that. And add the verification steps at the end. The custom agent not only implement or generate the diagrams, it needs to verify against the requirements. Use the industry standard. In case you have a specific organization standards, you can pass that as part of your prompt itself. Now, the agent mode is going to curate my custom agent. Here I am taking Copilot for curating the custom agent itself, and the custom agent's work is to generate the data flow diagram. Copilot agent mode completed the curation of the custom agent based on our instructions. It's time for us to review the custom agent details and modify based on our requirement. Copilot agent mode defined the description, the instructions including the scope, boundaries, input, output and the industry standard details. We need to include the name of our custom agent and as well as the tools required for performing this operation. Once the name and tools are defined, the custom agent appear as one of the modes in Copilot chat. Select the new custom agent, that is DFD generator agent, from our drop down. And pass our requirement. In our case, we are going for a admin console application to monitor project requirements, resource allocation, deallocation, budget, etc. Based on this requirement, DFD generator agent will generate the data flow diagram. The generation is completed. It's in MD format. The preview provides a proper data flow diagram. DFD is available as part of the MD file. It used underline mermaid.js for defining the DFT diagrams as part of the MD file. Custom agents inside VS Code bring the power of Copilot even closer to your daily development workflow. With tailored capabilities, integrated tools, and conversational interface, you can automate complex tasks like diagram creation, documentation, refactoring, and more. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechRill for more GitHub and Copilot insights. See you in the next video.